Hello guys, welcome back with me Chocho 2025. Today we're going to talk about a lightning model of WAN 2.1. This will make video generation 10 times faster than regular generation. In this example, for 512 width and 768 height image and 129 frames generate to 421 second instead of 3600 second using regular method with Tcache. The first thing to do is to download the model. Go to ComfyUI.com, a link in video description, and download the model. Save the model on ComfyUI/models/diffusion models. Now, let's get into the workflow. Using your regular image to video setup, in the WAN Video Model Loader, select the new model. It should be named something like WAN 2.1 Lightspeed i2-i4EB 480p. I recommend using the 480p version since we're generating at a lower resolution for this example. Next, pay close attention to the WAN Video Sampler node. Here are the crucial settings. Turn off Tcache. This is super important. Change steps to 4. Change CFG to 1. Change shift to 5. And finally, change the scheduler to LCMEM. Do not use a Tcache or speed boosting LoRA with this model. Combining them can break your video generation. Now let's see the results. Here's a side-by-side comparison of a video generated with the 4-step lightning model and a video from a regular 30-step workflow using Tcache. As you can see, the quality is practically identical, but the lightning model is incredibly faster. What about other methods? Here's another comparison: the lightning model versus a 10-step regular model without Tcache, but using an AccVid LoRA. The results are still very similar, and the lightning model is still the clear winner for speed. Remember when I said not to use Tcache with the lightning model? Here's what happens if you do. As you can see, it completely breaks the video, so make sure that option is off. But what about LoRAs? Good news, they work perfectly fine. Here are 2 examples of videos generated with the lightning model and a couple of different LoRAs. The results are great, the video is still fast, and the LoRAs are working exactly as they should. So, guys, this is currently the fastest way I've found to generate videos with WAN 2.1. I know WAN 2.2 is already out and it looks amazing, but I'm gonna wait for a speed booster like this one before I really dive into it. A quick note: all the videos in this tutorial were generated on my NVIDIA RTX 4060TI 60GB VRAM. Your generation times might vary depending on your GPU. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you again on the next episode, and have a nice day.